Thank you very much for choosing our high-power mobile phone jammer. When you get this package, you can find complete set like this. AC power cable, power adapter, 4 pieces antenna, and remote control. Jammer device. This is for logo plate, so you can put any logo as you need. And this is for heatsink, so it can support 24 hours working. Now, let me show how to install this jammer. The first step is to connect antenna. Please remember, when you connect it, you should be connected by the color remark, like this. Then connect it tightly. After full connection, you can find complete set like this. Now you should be connect the AC power adapter. Connect the AC cable to the adapter. And connect it to the jammer device. Please keep it in right position. Connect it tightly like this. Later, plug it to AC mains. Now you should be turn on power switch. Power LED is green on, means this device is powered on now. Later, you should be turn on each switch, one by one. Did you find 4 LED is on? Means this jammer is working normally now. The output power of each band is adjustable by your hand from min to max. You can adjust it slowly like this. 4 of them, it can be working separately and working together. This device also can be controlled by this remote control. If you want to use it, please move this button from local to remote. Then you can turn or off this device. Off, on. If you want to stop this jammer, just turn off each channel one by one. Then turn off this power switch. That's all. Thank you very much for your watching.